Hi, today we will talk about Unit 2 and asking names, addresses, and jobs occupation. Okay, again, that will be asking names, addresses, and jobs or occupation. And before we go to the lesson, we have like a simple conversation. Again, that will be conversation. Conversation. Situation 1, we have A student, B tourist. Again, student and tourist. A. What's your name? B. Eric. And what's yours? A. Sushuda. Where are you from? B. I'm from France. A. What do you do? B. I'm engineer. A. Oh, are you? B. What about you? A. I'm student. B. Oh, nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Again, that is the conversation for student or for A student and for B tourist. Let's go to the next part. This is useful expressions. Again, this is useful expressions. We have what is your name? What is your name? Next, we have what's your last name? What's your last name? Next, we have what's your English teacher's name? Again, that will be what's your English teacher's name? Next, may I have your name, please? Again, may I have your name, please? Next, what's her name? What's her name? Next, how do you spell it? How do you spell it? Next, where are you from? Next, where do you live? Where do you live? Next, where are you staying now? Where are you staying now? Next, what's your address? What's your address? Next, what's your job? What's your job? Next, could you tell your occupation? Could you tell me your occupation? Great. Next, we will proceed to vocabulary. Vocabulary. One will be address. Address. Next, name. Name. Next, surname. Surname. Next, last name. Last name. Next one, family name. Family name. Next one, nickname. Nickname. Next one, job. Job. Next one, work. Work. Next one is occupation. Occupation. Next one is profession. Profession. Next one is leave. Leave. Next one is stay. Stay. Next one is right. Right. And the last one is from. From. Again, we are finished now to vocabulary. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.